How to connect Netflix to TV from phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that your phone and your TV is connected to your same Wi-Fi network. Now, go ahead and open the Netflix app on your phone as well as on your TV. Here, you will see the sign in option there. So tap on the sign in option and now you can choose to sign in using your phone or tablet's camera and then point the QR code shown on the screen. So simply scan the QR code shown on the screen from your iPhone or any other phone, and with this, you will be signed in without having to enter your email ID and the password. Or you can also simply tap on the screen mirroring option you see there from your control center or the top right from a video that is playing, and with this the iPhone will be connected to your Netflix too. So this is how you can connect Netflix to TV from iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.